Welcome to 5-minute workouts on my 15-minute break. If you're new here, this series is all about transitioning the beginner, the person who has not worked out before, going from not working out to working out. So this is a very easy way to get into it, very simple methods. So if you have gym access, if you have a cable machine specifically, and you have back pain, this video is for you. So I got 3 exercises I'm going to show. All 3 are going to be meant to relieve your back pain over time. You can continue to do them consistently. So let's start off with the first exercise. All right, now, if you have a attachment like this, this is going to be the right attachment for this first exercise. So first off, you want to go heavy, okay? The rule of thumb is you want to get 8 to 12 reps times 3 sets, and you want to go heavy. But if you've never done this before, you want to walk before you run, of course. So you're going to step in between, right in between your feet, and you're going to bring the attachment in between your upper thighs, okay? You're going to hold it like this, tight grip. You're going to step out until the plate is off of the other plate, okay? So you want to have that resistance first. Hip width apart with your feet, stick your butt back behind you, stand up straight and squeeze your butt. Butt back and squeeze. Butt back and squeeze. If you're familiar with a kettlebell swing, it's similar to that, only it's the strength training variation, okay? So there's no swinging, it's just hip hinging forward and standing up. When you hip hinge, it's very important to make sure your back is straight. I see this a lot, all right, with my other clients, but you want to keep that back flat. And then, next exercise, you're going to bring it up. You could adjust it. So I had it low because it's dependent on my leg height and your specific height, but that worked out for me because it lined up right at the tops of my upper thighs. You're going to get it up to about chest height for this one. All right, now, you want it to be, you could use this grip or you could use this other grip. I actually prefer this other grip, but this is all trial and error over time. People have different preferences based on what grips they like to use and what feels the most ideal, but that is something you can feel out over time with yourself. Okay, now there's 2 ways to do this. I'm going to show the kneeling variation first, and then I'm going to show the hip hinge variation if you have problems with your knees. You're going to hold it overhand grip, kneeling here. You want to bring it off the plate, same idea. Bow down and back up, right to the point where the plate is still off. You don't want the plates to tap, okay? Keep it up. Squeeze the core and back up. You're hinging on that belly button line, okay? Squeeze, back up. Squeeze, back up. It's not a hinge at the waist. You're not bowing. You're right at that belly button line. Squeeze, okay? Now, if you have problems with your knees, stand it on up, have the grip like this, bring it out, hip width apart, similar to the first exercise we did, only except your hands are holding overhead rather than in between your feet, okay? Same idea, hip hinge, stand up. Hip hinge and stand up. You're gonna feel this more in your arms as opposed to the other one where you felt it more in your lower body, okay? But both of them are very advantageous for your core, which is very helpful to stabilize your lower back, okay? Now the last one, I'm going to show, I'm gonna get this grip instead. Let's grab this over here. This will make it a little bit more doable. Okay, now keep it at chest height, make it heavy, hold it sideways grip, overhand like this. Now, there's a difference between this exercise and the ones I just showed. This is going to be more isometric, okay? You're gonna pull it out. And isometric means, you're gonna wanna go lighter for this. Isometric means you're gonna build the muscle without movement, okay? So, squeeze, you build it out, see how the plate is up, and squeeze. Chest height and hold for about 10 to 12 seconds. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Okay, once you get one side, you get to the other, same idea, right into it. You get that anti-rotation, okay? Make sure you stay stiff as a board, and it's going to help your core stabilize. You're gonna feel it in all the muscles around your obliques, your lower back. It's very, very good for that overall stabilization and anti-rotation, okay? So as opposed to this, the other ones, which is 8 to 12 reps times 3, this one is about 10 to 12 seconds holding each side times 3. Very easy workout. You do it enough times, it'll take you just shy of 5 minutes. That's all it takes, guys. If you do this every day, you're gonna find significant changes in your back stabilization and strength, and you're gonna find that it's gonna start relieving that pain. So hope this helped you today. If it did, make sure you leave a like on the video. It really helps the channel out. Makes me be able to show it to more people who might need it, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Have a good day, guys.